A woman goes to her parish priest one day and tells him,
"Father, I have a problem. I have 2 female parrots I rescued from the brothel after that depraved establishment was finally closed down. They only know how to say one thing, and it's most embarrassing."
Curious, the priest asks,
"What do they say?"
They say, "Hi, we're prostitutes. Do you want to have some fun?"
The priest replies,
"Oh, I see why you're embarrassed."
He thinks for a moment, then says,
"You know, I may have a solution to this problem. I have 2 male parrots that I have taught to pray and read the Bible. Bring your 2 parrots over to my house, and I'll put them in the cage with Francis and Jacob. My parrots can teach your parrots to praise and worship. I'm sure your parrots will stop saying that phrase in no time."
Grateful, the woman responds,
"Thank you. This just might be the solution."
The following day, she brings her female parrots to the priest's home. As he ushers her in, she observes that the priest's 2 male parrots are inside their cage, holding their rosary beads and praying. Impressed, she walks over and places her parrots into the cage with them. After just a couple of seconds, the female parrots exclaim in unison,
"Hi, we're prostitutes. Do you want to have some fun?"
There is a stunned silence. Finally, one male parrot looks over at the other male parrot and says,
"Rock, put the beads away, Francis. Our prayers have been answered, Rock."